Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy smoked salmon deviled eggs. There's only a few ingredients, doesn't take very long at all, and it makes the perfect easy low carb keto snack, side dish or appetizer. And as always, I've written the full blog post which I'll leave below, which you'll be able to pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make these deviled eggs. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more yummy videos too, and leave a comment. Let me know if you give this recipe a try and your favorite way to enjoy deviled eggs. So let's get straight into it and I'll show you how to make them. First, I'm going to make hard-boiled eggs. I've got 7 eggs over here in my saucepan. I'm going to bring it up to the boil, let it bubble away and simmer for 10 minutes, take it off the heat, let it cool completely, and then I'll have hard-boiled eggs ready to make deviled eggs, and I'll show you once we're at that step. The eggs are hard-boiled, they're cool, they've actually been in the fridge, I've peeled them, and we're ready to make our deviled eggs. So the other ingredients we need are smoked salmon for our smoked salmon deviled eggs. I'm using sour cream, you can use mayo, you could use a bit of cream cheese, it's really up to you, but I just like sour cream, simple. We've got a lemon for just a bit of lemon juice, and I've got salt and pepper as well off to the side over here. So we're going to start by cutting our eggs in half. So we'll cut each egg in half and we'll scoop out the yolk and pop it into a bowl. And so we'll do that with all of the eggs. Scoop out the yolks, pop them in a bowl, try and keep them as neat and whole as possible. So now we have a bowl full of our yolks and we've got a plate full of empty egg whites, which I'll just move aside for a sec, and we'll just see to our yolks and get our filling sorted. So to our yolks we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of our sour cream. It's up to you how creamy you want it, how many you want to add in. Start with a tablespoon, we'll add it about a tablespoon and a half. We'll mix it all in, and then if it needs more, we'll add more. And we'll add just a squirt of lemon, a generous shake of salt, pepper, whatever you like. We're going to mash this through and then we'll add our smoked salmon afterwards. So just grab a fork and we just mash it all together until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. And really, you could just fill it back in with this. This is 2 ingredient deviled eggs, which I've made in the past. It's just egg yolk, sour cream. I just find it gives such a lovely creaminess and beautifulness. I feel it needs a little more sour cream, so I'll add a bit more sour cream and just keep mashing it to get it nice and smooth and creamy. That's a bit better. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my smoked salmon ready. So I've got a whole lot of smoked salmon here. You can use as much or as little as you like, and it's up to you whether you want to mix it all in, save some for the topping, which what I'm going to do. You can just pop some on the topping and just keep the egg plain and simple and beautiful like that. Up to you. So I've finally chopped most of my smoked salmon, and we'll just mix it through until it's lovely and distributed all amongst our filling. Right, and now to fill the eggs back up, it's up to you if you want to use a piping bag or a spoon. I just use a spoon, and we'll just fill our little egg whites back in with our filling. So we'll just grab one and grab a teaspoon and just fill it with our filling and distribute it amongst all of our egg whites until they're all filled and beautiful little deviled eggs. And there you go, they're all filled. I say they look pretty lovely like that, but I think I'm going to top them with just a little more smoked salmon to finish them off. And they're done. The little tiny bit of smoked salmon I think just makes it perfect finishing it off, and this makes the perfect low carb keto snack, or you could serve it as an appetizer when you're entertaining. It's just beautiful and so easy, as you saw. And remember, the link will be down below to the full blog post with the recipe that you can pin on Pinterest, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make these easy smoked salmon deviled eggs. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know your favorite way to enjoy deviled eggs. There are loads of different variations. What ingredients are absolute must when you have them? I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.